Welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about the nav element, in HTML. So now, how do we make use of the nav tag, be the nav element in HTML? So the nav, let me start with this. Okay, the nav element defines a set of navigation links. So that is what the nav element is. The it defines the set of a navigation link. So now let me just create an example. Here. So what do we do? Let me say nav. So I have it here. Nav. So let me use my anchor tag. So href. Let me just say I'm having my href to be okay. Let me use HTML. Okay, let me use about.html. Okay, another one. Let me use we don't have our CSS page yet, but let me just use let me say Python. For example, Python. Let me add another. Let me say Let me add another and say Java. So let me see how far it's going. So okay. About Python. Forgot to add this Python. Let me say Java, and let me have this here, and the last let me say JavaScript, and let me insert. Let me insert my JavaScript. So now you see I'm having them here. So now, for example, assuming we have a website where we want to navigate from one page to another page, you understand? So this will really help us to do such. So like as the name implies, which is navigation bar. So it helps us to navigate and make our links to be more presentable. And besides, we can also use this for our menu bar on our website. We can use it for like our menu bar on our website. So you see, we just have them here. So it's like clicking to this, but actually we don't have a page. It's only the about page we have. So now if you click about this about page, it's going to take us down to our about page. While the rest of the page, the Python, the Java and JavaScript have not yet created a page for them, so they are just blank. So clicking on them, it will just reload. You see, we'll be having an error. Cannot get Python because we don't have a page. We have not created any HTML page which it can easily load to. You understand now? So that's why we're having that error. So that's how you can make use of your nav. Nav simply means navigation bar. So you can just use that to navigate. So you can use it for a navigation bar. You can use it for anything. You can use it to navigate your website. So thank you for watching my tutorial. In the next tutorial, we are going to discuss more about HTML elements or HTML tags. Thank you.